When I saw Dr. Carter the first time, I was about 57 and I was having a lot of pain in my knees, and he said, well, we don't want to do anything until you turn 60. And so very shortly after I turned 60, I came to see him and said, let's see what we can do about these knees, because I was down to the point where I could barely walk 50 yards without having to sit down and wait for a while.
Whenever we're evaluating someone for a potential procedure, you want to think about how it's going to proceed over the next decades, because people, a younger person, say 59 years old, like Mr. Norton, has quite a lot of life left to live. He liked the idea of the partial knee replacement, which fit his clinical picture. And so after a discussion of various treatment options, he decided to undergo treatment of both of his knees at the same time.
The operation was very, I guess you would say, uneventful. They had me up and walking the next day. By the end of the second week, I had tossed away the walker and was walking pretty much normally. As soon as I got back on my feet and got through with the rehab, my wife and I started walking around the circle, and we gradually extended that. We would walk from our house up to the local restaurant. There was a Denny's and an IHOP right there across from each other. And it wound up being about a 4-mile walk.
What's been demonstrated in his particular case is that these implants have not had any loosening or problems in those 14 years. Now, we can't really extrapolate that to every single case, but the implant has demonstrated long-term stability.
He has been the most pleasant and friendly doctor, one of the most pleasant and friendly doctors I've ever met. He was very upfront about what we were trying to do. Fortunately, when I turned 60, he did it, and it has made a great difference in my quality of life.
It means a lot to me as a physician, as an orthopedic surgeon. We like to see people get better. That's why we go to work, so that the skills that we have, the tools that we've learned over our career allow patients to receive the benefits of the technological advances that have occurred over the years. And so his case is just a great case to see a person improve from these technologies.